appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me and when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied